Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another episode of Culinary Creativity, where less truly is more. Today I'm going to show you some incredible dishes you can whip up with only 5 ingredients. Yes, you heard that right. Just 5. So whether you're a busy bee looking to save time, on a budget, or simply love the idea of minimalist cooking, this video is for you. Get ready to discover how to transform these humble ingredients into mouth-watering masterpieces. Grab your apron and let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about breakfast. The most important meal of the day doesn't need to be complicated. We're going to make a delicious, fluffy omelette with just eggs, cheese, spinach, tomatoes, and butter. Start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl. Give them a good whisk until they're light and airy. The key here is to incorporate air so your omelette turns out nice and fluffy. Now, heat a tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the butter's melted and slightly bubbling, pour in your eggs. Let them set for just a moment. Meanwhile, sprinkle some shredded cheese on one half of the omelette. Add a handful of fresh spinach and some sliced tomatoes on top. Now, let it cook for another minute until the edges start to lift from the pan. Gently fold the omelette in half using a spatula and cook for another minute. Slide it onto a plate and voila, you've got yourself a gorgeous, healthy breakfast to start your day right. Moving on to lunch, how about a creamy tomato pasta? For this, you'll need pasta, canned tomatoes, cream, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. Start by boiling your favorite pasta according to the package instructions. While that's cooking, let's make a simple sauce. In a saucepan, heat a bit of olive oil and add minced garlic. Let the garlic sizzle until it's fragrant. Pour in a can of tomatoes and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now, add in a half cup of cream. Stir it all together and let it thicken up a bit. Once your pasta is done, drain it and add it directly to the sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is well coated. Finish it off by sprinkling grated Parmesan cheese on top. There you have it. Creamy tomato pasta that's rich, comforting, and oh so easy to make. Now, how about something for dinner? Let's make a succulent garlic butter shrimp. For this, you'll need shrimp, garlic, butter, lemon, and parsley. Start by melting a generous amount of butter in a pan over medium heat. Add minced garlic and let it cook until it's golden and aromatic. Next, toss in your shrimp. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn pink and opaque. The key to perfect shrimp is not to overcook them. Once they're done, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top and add a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. Give it a quick stir to coat everything in that lovely buttery sauce. Serve it with a slice of crusty bread, and you've got yourself a dinner that feels like a gourmet restaurant meal rye. Tea at home. Finally, let's satisfy that sweet tooth with a decadent dessert. How about some chocolate truffles? You'll only need dark chocolate, heavy cream, butter, vanilla extract, and cocoa powder. Start by chopping your chocolate into small pieces and placing it in a heat-proof bowl. In a saucepan, heat the cream and butter until it just begins to simmer. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate and let it sit for a minute. Stir until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Add a splash of vanilla extract for a little extra flavor. Let the mixture cool, then refrigerate it for about an hour until firm. Once it's ready, scoop out small portions with a teaspoon and roll them into balls. Coat each ball in cocoa powder. And there you have it. Luscious, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate truffles that are as simple as they are indulgent. And there you have it, folks. 4 incredible dishes you can create with just 5 ingredients each. Who knew simplicity could taste so delicious? So grab your ingredients and give it a try. You will not regret it.